Unveiling the Rivalry, Understanding Arch-Enemy. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often pops up in stories of superheroes, epic tales, and sometimes in real life. The phrase is arch-enemy. Get ready to explore its meaning, usage, and some interesting facts about this powerful term. Stay tuned to become an English language pro on this topic. Arch-enemy is a compound noun, combining arch, which means chief or principal, with enemy, a person who is actively opposed or hostile to someone or something. So, an arch-enemy isn't just any adversary. It's the ultimate opponent, often characterized by a long-standing rivalry and intense conflict. The word arch-enemy has its roots in the mid-16th century, with arch coming from the Greek word archos, meaning leader or ruler. This prefix is used to denote the most extreme or the most important of something. When you hear arch-enemy, think of the likes of Sherlock Holmes and Professor Moriarty, eternal foes whose battles are legendary. To understand how to use arch-enemy in a sentence, let's look at a few examples. In many comic books, the superhero inevitably faces off against their arch-enemy. The two politicians were considered arch-enemies due to their opposing beliefs and contentious history. These sentences demonstrate that arch-enemy is used to talk about the primary antagonist or the foremost foe in someone's life or story. While arch-enemy is quite descriptive on its own, there are synonyms that can be used interchangeably depending on the context. Some of these include nemesis, adversary, foe, rival. Each word carries its own connotations and subtle nuances, but they all relate to the concept of an opposing force. Thank you for watching. I hope now you have a clear understanding of what arch-enemy means, where it comes from, and how to use it in your conversations or writing. Remember, knowing phrases like arch-enemy can add drama and depth to your stories and descriptions. Keep learning and expanding your English vocabulary, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!